So a lot of people keep asking me, Solomon, how can I get remote jobs in 2026? Now, the problem is not the remote job. The problem is the skill you have, because what most people don't understand is that there are some skills that are obsolete and there are some skills that are currently working in 2026. Nevertheless, I have some remote job website that I'm going to be talking about today, and I bet you that you're going to like it. Now, I'm going to start from international website, then I'm going to go to a local website. There is this local website that sent me a job alert. I won't really call it a local website because other countries can also use it too, but they sent me a job alert recently, and I feel like I have to come and share this with my community. But that's enough about me. By the way, happy new month, guys. I wish you happy new month. Comment happy new month in the comment section. See me for the first time, you're welcome. Do all to like, share, subscribe to keep getting more content from me. Thank you very much. You can join our community to support the effort. Guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just coming here to share an information. Now, it's not left for you to do whatever you want to do with this particular information, but there is no guarantee that this might work for you, because this website might be active today, they might not be active tomorrow, they might not be available in your location, they might change, so things change. Another thing too, you can try different websites that I'm going to talk about today to see the one that works out for you. I'm going to show you the one that worked for me. Remote jobs in 2026, does it still work? Well, there are people that are struggling to get remote jobs in 2026. In fact, I've gotten a lot of messages in my DM. Solomon, I have this skill. I'm looking for jobs. How can I get jobs? I've tried so many websites. I've tried Upwork. I've tried Fiverr. By the way, if you're still going to Fiverr and Upwork in 2026, you're really wasting your time. Not because they are not working. It's just because it's the competition is too much, and they really look for those top people. You know, as a beginner, it's going to take a very long time before you can get something tangible inside Fiverr and Upwork. And one thing I like about this website is because you can decide to work at night. So if you already have a day job, you go to your work during the day and you need something by the side, I think you can get something by the side based on what you're looking for. So you can get night jobs here, jobs after 12 o'clock, jobs after 2 o'clock, you know, if you like staying up at night. You know, there are some people that don't really sleep, but I think this could be a good opportunity. I found this Canadian website right here. They call it Scholars. They call it scholars.com. That's the name of the website. So what do you do here? This particular website, they are looking for tutors. They're looking for online tutors, remote tutors. So if you can teach, you have a teaching skill right here. As you can see, they say, do you have a passion for teaching? As you can see right here. So they're actually looking for tutors right here. So all what you have to do, you can actually come down here and apply for this. You can check out some of the criteria to see if you're qualified for this. You can see they say join our team of tutors. So I found this website and I just say let me check it out to see if it actually works, and boom, you can see that they are looking for remote teachers or remote tutors, because this is a school. Okay, so I think this is the first website that you can check out, and if they accept you, the Canadian time and Nigerian time are not the same, so there might be slight changes in the time zone. So the night there might be your day here, and the day here might be your night over there. So that's why this is good to do at night based on the available job. Now, another website that I found out recently, and this looks good, they call it Atlas Capture. Atlas Capture, as you can see. So what do you do right here? You also help train the next generation of breakthrough AI. So this particular website right here, they have different AI jobs right here that they can do. You help train AI, you know, things like that, and that's how you get paid. You can actually sign up, and if it's not available, well, you know what to do. You know what to do. I'm not going to tell you because the last time I make a video like this, I said it and somebody was fighting with me in the comment section. Solomon, why will you come here and say something like that? What if these people they know and they decide to block us? I not talk anything. Let's move on. Next website on my list right here is called UTest. The reason why I like this UTest, as you can see, they say amazing digital experience start with you. And this what do? You test out apps, websites, blogs, and the rest, and they pay you. I've gotten jobs from this website. Let me tell you guys the truth. Please, whenever you're signing up on this website, please, I'm begging you, you have to remember your two-factor authentication. So that's the problem I'm facing right now. So I actually try to log in right now, but I noticed that I've forgotten my two-factor authentication because they gave me job and it has been a long time I've not checked out the website. So when they send me some job, I try to log in to complete it, and I noticed that the app is still in my phone, but I forgot my two-factor authentication. And another thing I'm going to tell you, these people, they like iPhone more than Android. I put in all my devices, my Android, my tablet, and everything. I put my iPhone, but somehow they send me job for the iPhone and not for the Android, and I don't really know why they are doing that. Anyways, so this you test actually works, but don't forget your password, just like me. The next website right here on my list is this one they call Emerit. They call it Emerit. As you can see, they say build a future of AI. There are a lot of AI websites coming up lately. These websites are coming up. I know that there are a lot of AI coming up and the world is shifting, but there are a lot of AI websites coming up lately that you can get jobs. Anyways, Emerit is one of those websites, and as you can see, you can come down here, sign up, and get an AI job like training AI and things like that. You can just go through it to check what they have available, and based on the skill you have available to offer, and that is because most of these things actually require some kind of skills. Some of them don't. Do well to check if it's working for you based on your location, because emphasis on the location. The next one right here on my list, this one too, I just found out about this one recently, and the name is funny. It's called Handshake.com. Handshake.com. So you can see they say get paid to advance AI. Get paid to advance AI. So this is another AI training website right here that can get some jobs. You can see they say AI evaluation. You can evaluate AI. AI evaluation specialist. This is a job description right here. You can see they say apply now. So this is where I'm actually reading from. AI evaluation specialist. This is a job, and you can see they say apply now. They call this one energy profession. Wow. Energy professional. Okay, they call this one FP&A analyst. Really, this is another job description, right? You can see trending opportunities. Well, come here and check this out. You can see they say earn competitive pay, and you can see they say gain experience in AI. So as you're working and you're earning, you're getting experience when it comes to AI training jobs and the rest. So well, come here and check this out. You can see they say how it works. Apply and verify your identity, get matched to a project, and this other one here they say take the training and learn. Another website I have on my list is the one that I really want to try, this one, because this one feels amazing. I just found out about it. I'm sharing my secret gems to you guys. This particular one right here is called Action Model. They call this one Action Model. Actionmodel.ai, actionmodel.com. actionmodel.com. You can see own the future of AI. Okay, join the movement. You can see they say language models know what to say, action models know what to do. Right now, the future of AI is in the hands of a few billionaires. Together, we can change that. So come down here and check this out. And if you can actually get a job on this particular website, I want us to try this together, right? Let me show you the website that sent me that job alert that I felt like sharing it with my community. New job in Uyo, apply now. What is the job? The job is called content manager. They say job alert, content manager. So this job was sent to me by this website they call Glassdoor. They call it Glassdoor. Glassdoor is a website I signed up on some months ago. I fill in my details. I got this email from them that I have a job alert, but the only problem right is that the span to get this job alert is really far, but it's going to be based on what you can do, right? So this is how their website actually looks like. As you can see, they say you deserve a job that loves you back. Okay, and you can see right here, get ahead with Glassdoor, and this start your search. Glassdoor. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and you can just sign up with your Google account. It has a lot of potential. Here it has a lot of potential, right? You can come here, add and verify your phone number. So let's check out some of the countries. You can see some of the countries. You can see Uganda. This is America. Is it Uruguay, Hungary, Vietnam? Okay, let's scroll. Let's look for Nigeria. You can see Tanzania, France, and so on. We even have is this Zimbabwe? Okay, we have South Africa, South Korea. We're looking for Nigeria. Let's look for Nigeria. Okay, this is Nigeria right here. So Nigeria is actually available. Put your Nigerian phone number, then you're going to see some the available remote jobs that you can apply for. What do you think about all these websites that I've mentioned? Have you tried any of them? Have you really been lucky? Which one are you currently using? Which one is working for you? Please tell me in the comment section.